Hey yo, welcome back to the game Umad vlog to another brand new video with my cousins Harun. Let's go. This time I'm gonna take you to the Kabul Zoo. Yeah, the plastic line. Okay, this time I'm gonna take you to the Kabul Zoo. I'm gonna show you every single thing, what it looks like, what animals do we have in Kabul Zoo. Okay, let's go. Okay, the first I'm gonna show you Leopatra, white line. You see, one trend is you guys can just read, and it's right here.
The big guy.
The big guy is right here. You can see, yeah, it's right here. It's only one of them. It's not 100% white, but it's still not even red either, not brown. So I mean, this guy is kind of sad. I understand it's in quarantine. They're in the zoo 24 hours. I know how it feels when you're in the zoo, like how we used to in the pandemic in quarantine and stay in home for like a month. It's kind of boring. But I don't know. These people never understand. The camels, right here. And the camel is not available in any country either. It's in some of the country, not all of them. Like you see, you guys can see, yeah. Most of people butcher the camels, but the meat is very sweet. So it's the camelus,
Which is found in Afghanistan, China, Iran, Kazakhstan,
vegetarian,
Angola, and Pakistan.
You just can see everything exists. Afghanistan, China, Iran, Kazakhstan, anything. Just look around, just read it. I hope you speak English. This guy is kind of hungry, I think. What's up, Chim? What's up? It's good, bro. It's good. He's surprising, like. So now I'm gonna show you Aquila Nepalis, stripping eagle. It's I don't think it's eagle, but it's kind of looks like eagle. The face looks like eagle. Yes, yeah, something. It's another generation between us and eagle.
Oh, let's show. Come on, let's see.
Owl. First time in my life seeing owl. Yeah, boo 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 boo. Yeah, boo boo. Eagle owl.
Rocky areas. Okay?
Yeah. This guy looks mad. I don't know why. This is a little bit different. Cage and owl. Small deers. These guys like 6-7 guys. I don't know. Yeah, 6-7 almost. Hey, what's up, Chim? I don't know how to talk to these deer, man. It's good. So, wildland Leopatra. Look. This guy is sleeping, man. I don't know why this lion sleeps so much. Another guy is right there. Let me go focus. Side.
Female lion.
What happened to my camera, bro? Yeah, finally got focus. And let me tell you something, it's my first time in life to see a lion in real life. I saw in the movies, but not in real life. First time. Now we have rabbits. It's my first time to see rabbits in my real life either. Most of the animals, it's my first time to see in life. I never seen this before. I don't know, are they sleeping or what? Whatever. Just chilling. Almost 30 of them, 34 in this one cage. Now we have a dog. I don't know, is it a fox or a dog, bro? I don't understand this.
It's a dog.
It's a dog?
Yeah, it seems to be a dog.
Bro, this dude is sleeping. Everybody's sleeping in this zoo, man. Every animal is sleeping in this zoo. Can you sleep in the night time, bro? I mean, the big guy, the deer, right?
Yeah, the deer.
Oh, look at the horns. But this guy is sick. I feel
Nice.
nervous. I feel
Yeah.
nervous.
Feels good.
Feels good, man.
Show him some love.
Show him some love to this dude.
Yeah.
Subscribe the channel, man. Show him love to this dude. I know this guy is. I know how it feels to be in the cage. Like how I used to in the home for a pandemic. Side this dude. Look at the horns, bro. Jam. That's so big, bro. First
Yeah.
time seeing these dudes.
It's really beautiful.
Yep. Now the wolf or the fox? Is that a wolf?
Yeah, I think it's a wolf.
You guys tell me what this is.
The wolf.
It's a wolf, yeah.
The big guy.
The big guy. So, Canis lupus wolf. Okay, status Afghanistan, least concern. That's 63 days. Yeah, all this thing about the wolf. It's English, Pashto, Dari. So 1, 2, and we still have one of them. I think it's right there. Number 3. 3 of them in this one cage. These are the real Shutarmore.
Ostrich.
Ostrich. You guys see it? You read it? Yeah. No, you guys are not gonna see it properly. Hold on. Go focus, man, focus.
Oh, they're coming for
Yeah,
you.
this guys came. Yo, what's up, Chim? What's up? What's good, nigga? What's good? This guy is gonna be fighting, man. Yeah, bro, I don't fight.
Fighting?
They fight, bro. Look. They bite.
You bite?
Look. Can you see, bro?
All of these people have ride on them, like horses. Sit upon it. Go
So-
for a ride.
1, 2, 3. Only 3 of them. Only 3 of them. This one cage. I don't know why do they catch the
Cats.
cats. I don't know why do they here, bro. Cat is just normal. It's everywhere.
They're not dangerous then, right?
Yeah.
Unless
Even they put the
scratch
plastic right there.
You. Unless they scratch you.
This bird, I don't know. What kind of bird is that? They say don't tease, don't eat,
not
don't feed. Yeah. Monkey. Ferus McQ. I don't know what it is, McQ. Look. Look it. See? The monkeys. 1, 2, 3. 3 of them are outside, maybe some of them are inside. One of them is right here. This guy is right here. Yeah. Now we have some cows. 1, 2. It's not cows. It's kind of different, bro. Look at these 3 big guys with the big horns. I know you can't just see it because of this sun.
Domestic yak.
Yeah, domestic yak, bro.
Not the cow there. Like found in mountain areas
Yeah.
where too much of snow is there.
Yeah. You guys can't see it probably because of the sun. So. Look, it's okay, but when you come to right there, you can see because the sun right here. Now we have Colombo, Libya, rock pigeon. Now you guys can't see it probably because of the plastic. They put the plastic because they don't, because the people they don't want to get, they feel cool. Put the plastic just to keep it warm. Okay? Yeah. I'm taking so many of them, almost like 50 of them. Not 50 of them, with 30, 35. So now we have laughing down. Let me show you how it looks like. Man, come on, these cameras. You see? Yeah. Laughing dove. Now we have look and slap a girl a deer. Okay, this guy is eating. The one is right there. Another thing with him. They're very different, man. I don't know. They didn't put the board so I can show you what the real name is. No, they didn't. So we can just call him the deer. This guy is right here. Sanki? Dari mana video ku? Bro, what's up, Shem? What's up? Look at the horn, bro. She was out there, Huh? Lucky I did a small tails. Zookeeper show they're familiar with the weather. I mean, I don't know, maybe he's right or wrong, but he said the lions are comfortable with the winter. This kind of season. So finally the fox came outside. I don't know why he's running. So 1, 2, third one is right here. 3. I think they're doing joint exercise, yeah? It's almost 21%. So I'm gonna do this the whole vlog with my camera Canon DSLR. So my cousin's gonna record it, not me. So we're gonna go to the rock. It's kind of famous in the zoo colony, so all the places. So I'm gonna go take some pictures, okay? It's kind of risky, but still, no risk.
Be careful.
Baby!
You've done it, bro. You've done it.
It's famous, you know. That's like zero talk and that's zero see it? So now we're gonna go back.
You feel good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Come down. Be careful. Need a hand?
I mean, if you guys wanna come here, this is called Kabul. Actually, this means Kabul Zoo. So, yes, any person he can take you. Okay, it costs less money. You can just come in the local van or a bus, take 110 Afghanis, 91.20 cents. Okay, and that was the rest of the vlogs. So you guys, that was the whole zoo that I showed in Kabul. So now check out the other vlogs and thanks for today.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Appreciate my cameraman Harun.
Yeah.
Okay.